Build's going great so far. We've got a lot of products going in. SES donated the foam. Hi-Fi has donated their insulation foil. And then we've got aerial barrier going in on top of that. Currently, we've passed all of our MEP inspections. We've passed insulation inspections. Now we're installing high-foil product.
We're installing Hi-Fi, which is one of our multi-layer reflective insulations that's used in conjunction with usually spray foam. And that hybrid system, the combination of the two, takes the best of both products and puts it into a wall system. Hi-Fi is installed on the face of studs, and it's very simple. It uses the tools that insulation installers use every day, razor knife and staple hammer. So for Hi-Fi, it is really super effective at stopping radiant energy from coming into the home. So that, coupled with a great R value and an air sealing of a spray foam product, the two really marry together to give an ultra-high performing system that one could not achieve by itself.
So Josh will be out here next week from Two Trails to see exactly what our envelope is looking like and how we're forming. The next stage after the installation, after the Hi-Fi is completed, we'll be going into sheetrock. Sheetrock is where the part of the build starts accelerating, so we are meeting our schedule currently. We are high speed and low drag, so we will be ready for the International Building Show in February.